Right there, it's on.
Okay. Are you guys really gonna do one?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna debaffle my bike. Let's hear it before.
This is before.
Before. Okay, be right back. Okay, first one's cut.
First one's cut.
First one's cut. Now for the second part. 3-inch. That's crazy.
I'm gonna jump. You take the donut out. Donut.
Okay.
And then
You gotta go grab a broom, but you're not gonna sweep that up.
and then you just shake it off.
This might take a while. We'll be back.
And there it is. Now for the second one. We'll be back.